in your mouth.
and put it in mouth. Then he ran away. Well, you are Brahma. Ki jai. So those who are saying, I am Brahma, they say, I am useless. You are not Brahma. You are belongs to Brahma, Brahma Jati. You are not Brahma. This is very important. But people, they are thinking, I am Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi. Are who is saying? To whom? So, another, what is the meaning of Brahma? Many times we discussed these things. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed this philosophy with Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. And Mahaprabhu gave the one sloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. Very slow. No. Mahaprabhu, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he gave the meaning, 9 types of meaning. Atma Ramasya Muna Nirganto Hari Urukrame. This slow. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he gave meaning 9. Or Mahaprabhu gave 18th. And Mahaprabhu did not touch his meaning. And Mahaprabhu. Then same sloka, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Atma Ramasya Muna Nirganto Hari Urukrame. This sloka. Then again Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained in front of Sanatana Goswami Pad. 61. 60? 61 or 64? 64. 64. So how many meanings of these slokas? Because people, they don't know what is the meaning of the Shastra. Shastra na janiya kare bhek kara hal. Bhek kara hal, understand? Some people, they don't understand the real meaning, perfect meaning of the Shastra. Just they're taking their own speculative concepts and speaking. Brahma, this what? There are many synonyms.
Atma also. Atma.
Brahma means Atma name is Brahma. Even body's name, body also called Atma.
And mind.
Mind, in many things, many. Man, Buddhi, all these is the Atma. This is called Brahma. Annamaya Brahma. Pranamaya Brahma. Vedanta is saying this. But if you try to understand, what is the meaning of, real meaning of Brahma? Brahma sabde mukkharte kahe Bhagavan. The original meaning of Brahma, that is called Bhagavan. With the supreme personality of God is saying Bhagavan. Because he is great. There are many synonyms coming. Brihan dhatu. The verbal root Brihan, Brihat. What Brihat? Is unique, who is unique and unparalleled. That is called Bhagavan. You understand this? No one can equal with him. Natasya karya karancha vidyate, natasya samasya adhikasya disyate. Sahaviki jnana bala kriya. No one can equal with him. How will be? Higher than him. So, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed this. Very nice. So, first Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he delivered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. And let's go Sarvabhauma Uddhar. What is it? Sarvabhauma Uddhar. Lord Chaitanya delivered. Then he realized. Then he told. Then he reads Srimad Bhagavad slokas. Where is coming? Mukti. Mukti sloka is coming. He does not want to recite Mukti. He's saying bhakti. Bhakti pade sadai bhag. But written is why they've written Mukti pade sadai. Mahaprabhu told. No, what Vasudev is written, you have to
Follow.
follow. But what is the meaning of mukti? Mukti dadati jasa iti mukunda. Krishna's name is called Mukunda. There are many meanings of mukunda. Mukti. Attanti dukkha nivritta revahi mukti. Free from all kinds of miseries, distress, unhappiness. That is also mukti. Vishnu Angri Labhangi Mukti. One who attains the lotus feet of Vishnu. Also called Mukti. The highest meaning of Mukti and Mukti Jannata Rupam Sasurpena Bhavastiti Mukti. One who realizes his own Sarup, transcendental
Form.
Transcendental constitutional form. And with its transcendental constitutional form, directs have to his Istadeva with his own mood. That is called Mukti. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence of it. So for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained this. So first Lord Chaitanya delivered to whom? Mayavadi Sarvabhatta. And also another Prakasananda Saraswati. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadvip Dham, Mahaprabhu one day he absorbed in the mood of Vishnu. And Mahaprabhu saying, Kasite Padai Beta Prakasananda. Or more anga kare khanda khanda. Mahaprabhu said.
That's my body.
And he cut my body in pieces. Because he criticized me. Because he don't, what is called, accept my transcendental
Form.
What is the fault of Advaitavadi? First to try one, Mayavadis. Because they don't believe the Lord has transcendental form. They believe form, but that form is called material form. Maya, everything is as if we are coming. Our body is what? Made by the
Matter.
5
Elements.
So, but they don't believe. The Lord Bhagavan, his form is made by the 3 elements. And our body made by 5 conditioned soul. But the Jiva's body made by 5 elements. And Lord, who is Bhagavan, how many? 3. What is that? Sat, Chit, Anand, Sachidanand. Issara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda, Sarva Karna Karna. Sachidananda Vigraha. A beautiful form. Alright. Explain this. Trivanga Lalit. Baraha Pidang Natabrabopu Karna Karnikaram. Vibradavasu Konakavisang Vajantam Randrana Venu Radrasuda Purana Gopa Vrindai Vindaran Savadramanang Pravichadakirti. It's very beautiful. Kosturi Tilakang Lalata Patali Bakkastali Kostubang Nasagri Varamuktikang Kartali Venu Kari Kankanam Sarvangi Harichandana Suritang Kantecha Muktavali Gopostri Parivestito Vijayate Gopala Chudamani. Very nice beautiful. Such Satchit Anandamay Bhagavan. But impartially thinking, Lord has no form. Rupa hi. Vedanta Darshan will explain what is called. Or Rupavat Tat Pradhanna Eva hi. His form, very beautiful. But his form is unique and unparalleled. Sanskrit word Bat. Bat means to compare. For see, or Rupavat, his form you cannot compare with the material form. His form is what? Unique, unparalleled, and transcendent. And Shastra also, again they also say, he has no legs,
No arms,
no arms,
no eyes.
no eyes, but he walks, he looks. Eh? How possible? That means he has eyes. Otherwise, how he is looking? Eh? You have eyes or not? You are looking? Eh? But he has no eyes. He looks. So that means he had transcendental eyes. Aprakita chaksha. Eh? He has no legs, but he walks. Eh? Papadu. He has no legs, but he walks. That means he has transcendental feet.
Legs.
Eh? Understand? You are not eating daytime. Eh? Devadatta.
And he's fat.
But he is fat. How he is fat?
He eats at night.
Eh? He does not eat daytime. Eh? But he is fat. So when he is eating? Night time. Simple way. Otherwise, how will you become be fat? Huh? Simple way, understand? Eh? So that means you may understand the scriptures two ways. One is called Ovidavritti, another is called Lakshanavritti. You understand? Direct and indirect, but simple way. What Shastra is saying, direct meaning. Eh? And if the direct meaning you can understand, then indirect. Lakshanavritti, simple way. Eh? Gangayam Ghosapalli. Eh?
Village
The village of
on the Ganga.
the village on the Ganga. Village not on the Ganga. That means village
Near.
on the bank of the Ganges. Eh? The simple way you understand. So in the same way, you may understand the scriptures two ways. One is called Lakshana, one is called Ovidhavritti, another is called Lakshanavritti. It's simple. Right. But impartialist, Mayavadi, just they explain their own concepts. Speculative concepts. They are giving their own. So now coming, because Brahma Samhita very clear. Without reading Brahma Samhita, you cannot cut the Mayavad pleasure. It is very strong Granth. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he traveled in South India, Dakhin Bharat, then Mahaprabhu he brought two Granthas. One Rasa Grantha, another Tattva Siddhanta Grantha. Everybody collect these two Granthas. What is the Grantha? Krishna Karnamrita Grantha, Rasa Grantha. Very sweet Grantha. Read or not? What did you read? Krishna Karnamrita Grantha. Read. Very sweet. Or another? Brahma Samhita. Understand? Once we also preaching in some place, when we discuss this evidence from Brahma Samhita, that Pandit become very angry. Well, I had this Granth, we never heard. Well, you never heard, so what happened? You are not Bhagavan, so what to do? Then we saw this Granth, look this, Brahma Samhita. Then he was very, without evidence from Shastra. Kutarkik jata. What is the Kutarkik? Give an example. One person, what is called? Dant saaf kari. Brushing his teeth in the east. They answer, hey, what are you doing this? And Shastra saying, don't brush the teeth in the east. Then he turned his face. Then another Shastra, no, you should not brush your teeth the west. So which I do? Up or down? You understand? Very nice piece, Leela. Lord Chaitanya, Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda, that time they also, Mahaprabhu was, Nityananda was sitting there. And then some Brahmanas, they are also. So, argument with then one person came and saying, hey, Nitai, what are you looking? Boy, I am looking the Brahmanas activity. Then they also are fighting to each other, you know. And he's saying, oh, you should not do this way, this way. He was also saying many kathas also. The essence of all the scriptures. Harinam. Harinam Iva Kevalam. Kalo Nasiva, Nasiva, Nasiva. Gatiranna. Only study Shastra, but not chanting holy name. Useless. Many people, they are just studying. Giving lecture, giving long lecture, and not practicing. Are wake up 2 o'clock. Chant holy names. Understand? Everybody have to chant holy names. It's very important. Or karmanishta, some they can know to what is called karma. You perform your duty. What is your duty? Take care of your children, take care of your wife, take care of this. Whole life taking care. So when you do bhajan?
All day. They say all
They say all day.
Yeah.
But he is not looking. The cemetery and place, many also, and young, they left body and they are chai, ashes full in the cemetery. You will become old then bhajan sadhan. There is no guarantee. People are thinking when I will become old, that time we will go to Vrindavan and do bhajan. Then old age coming.
And you're so tired and you're so pain everywhere and you cannot chant. Can't.
Chant. But can't. For the Prahlad Maharaj, Komaram Acharit Prakam. Dharman Bhagavatam. You learn this verse or not?
It's Prahlad Charita.
Which one?
Komaram
Komaram.
Acharit Prakam. This verse you have to learn. Because the human life is very, very rare. And only in the Hindu human body we can attain our perfection goal. Cat's body, dog's body, animal's body, cow's body, we can do bhajan and sadhana. Only human body. So try to understand this. So, and then Uja, Ninduk already told, they are criticizing. Their nature. But Mahaprabhu also, they divided. And who criticized? To Mahaprabhu. Once when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back from Gaya, and Mahaprabhu absorbed chanting mantra. Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the same separation mood of Srimati Radhika. Then I like Brahmargit. Mahaprabhu thinking. Mahaprabhu thinking I am Radha. And now Krishna, he left me. And Mahaprabhu is crying. And the Brahmargit Mahaprabhu remembering the sloka of Brahmargit. Madhupakitva Vando Mahapisrangi. This sloka is Mahaprabhu thinking. Understand? This. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu does not, that means Mahaprabhu does not want to take the name of Krishna. Because Krishna is big cheater. Eh? So Mahaprabhu think this. And Mahaprabhu just thinking, Gopi, 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 Gopi. In the meantime, one Brahman came. Learned scholar Brahman. He asked, hey Nimai, all Shastra is saying, Kali Yug, chant Krishna. Krishna Nam. But you are not chanting Krishna, you are chanting Gopi, Gopi. Which Shastra mentions Gopi's name? You chant which name? Gopi name or Krishna Nam? Krishna, Krishna. Hare Namo, Hare Namo, Hare Namo, Iva Kevalam. You are not chanting Krishna Nam, and now chanting Gopi, Gopi. Hare Krishna, you chant Krishna. Then Mahaprabhu become very angry. Actually, Mahaprabhu's mood is what? Highest mood, separation mood. Dibba Unmadini Srimati Radhika. It's the madness mood of Srimati Radhika. Transcendental madness. But that Brahman, he did not understand the heart of Mahaprabhu. But he said, give the instruction to him. Chant Krishna. When Krishna, this word coming, then Mahaprabhu become very angry. Then Srimati Radhika, I don't want to see Krishna. He's big cheater. And he cheated me. This is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then, and Mahaprabhu took one stick and tried to beat him. Then the Brahman, he ran away. Oh, Nimai, now he's very, what is it called, arrogant. He's thinking he is big Pandit. All we are foolish. Then that Brahman, he returned back his home and called all his friends. Nimai, now he is very proud of his own philosophy. I told him, chant Krishna Nam, but he tried to beat me. Then all the Brahmanas and his friends tried to beat to Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Bhagavan. But that Brahman, he did not understand the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu is thinking, how they are foolish. I am completely absorbed in the highest mood of Srimati Radhika. Actually, what is it? They committed offense, lotus feet of Mahaprabhu. And we have three kinds of offense, aparad. Nam aparad.
Seva.
Nam, Sarup or Vigraha. Try to understand. How many types of offenses? Three. Nam aparad, or Vigraha aparad, or Sarup aparad. Try to understand. Three types of offense. If you committed offense of holy names, then rendering, chanting holy names, Nam aparad will disappear. Nirantar Nam Kirtane aparad hai mukti. Rendering, chanting holy names, then you free from offense, Nam aparad. Vigraha seva aparad. If you worship the Thakurji, Vigraha, offense coming or not? Yes. So how will you free from Vigraha seva, seva aparad? Stab stuti.
Bhagavad Gita also. Reading one chapter of Bhagavad Gita.
Vigraha. Especially Pujari. Worship Thakurji. And in the end, mantrahinam, kriyahinam, bhaktihinam, janardanam. Jat pujitam maya. What I don't know. Paripurnam tadustu me. If you use all this, mantrahinam, kriyahinam, bhaktihinam, janardanam. Hey Janardan, I don't know mantra, tantra. Shastra, everything knows. Even I don't know, good behavior, Shuddha Sadachar.
Yeah.
Just to accept my mood. Bhavagrahi Janardana. Please accept my mood. Then Lord will okay. Because if you serve to anyone, automatically offense coming or not. Understand? Because Shastra is saying many kinds of offense. Especially Vigraha Seva. Seva Aparad. How many types of Seva Aparad? 30. Innumerable of Seva Aparad actually. But main 32 types of Seva Aparad. Understand? If you do Seva Aparad coming out, anyhow. Are what will say? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taking rest in Gambhira. Govinda, his servant, Govinda. And every day, massage his lotus feet. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go take rest in Gambhira, then Mahaprabhu's servant, Govinda, massage the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But that day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took rest, sleeping, and closed the door. Govinda blocked the door, no? Gambhira, you have even Gambhira or not? Where? Jagannath Puri. That is small door. And Mahaprabhu was laying down, and he blocked the door. So how? Govinda is massaging this side, and is sitting inside of door and massaging. But other side of Lord Chaitanya, how to massage? Then Govinda, he also put one cloth over body of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You understand? Yes. Then he crossed and entered inside and massaging lotus feet, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Whole night he was sitting, midnight. Then Mahaprabhu, he waked up midnight. He asked Govinda, did you take prasad? Well, Prabhu, no. Why not? Because you are taking rest. So I am now massaging your feet. So why do you not take rest? Why do you not take prasad? Prabhu, and I am coming. Cross your body. And your service. Seva ke liye aaya tha. I came, your service. And now I am going to take prasad for my service. So for this regard, I am thinking how will go.
I cannot cross back.
Back. Understand? This thing. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. And so Venu Gita is very nice Katha is saying this way. When Krishna plays the food and herding the cows in the sky, the cloud. Understand? They also cover the head of Krishna. Big cloud. As like umbrella. Understand? He holding the umbrella and for not for him or not for me. And all the water, small umbrella. But Lord Chaitanya, when Krishna he plays the flute, especially in summertime, and in the sky, the cloud over the head of Krishna. Understand? But this cloud not what is called? Moving. Not moving. Where the Krishna is going or the always leading? Follow Krishna. Not what is called?
Crossing beyond.
Crossing?
Over Krishna.
Over
In front of Krishna.
Not
walking
going.
in front of.
You read Benugit? Reading or not? Huh?
Not yet.
Not yet. What do you reading? Nothing.
Manu Shiksha.
Venu Gita,
Benugita. Very nice.
very nice.
In also Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad saying. Why the cloud not crossing? over Krishna. Why? Because he is teaching to us also this. Mahato udikramena. And if you
Cross over, walk ahead, in front of.
then you will commit offense.
But today many disciples walk in front of Gurudev.
They are not understand, so what to do?
They're eager to be close to the Guru.
For example, sometimes we chastise, hey, to back. But they don't
Listen.
understand.
5 minutes.
5 minutes and then
Then they
again,
come back.
and as like that was a small mall, what is called? What is called? Duck. Yeah?
Little duck.
Baby ducks.
Baby duck always behind.
Yeah.
When the goose their duck,
Mother.
mother duck is going, and sometimes they also a small baby, giving that behind, and sometimes also are.
Running ahead.
These two are wrong. You notice or not?
Yes.
You notice in the pond, the small, that is called
Duckling.
duckling,
The baby ducks.
baby ducks. Sometimes behind their mother, and sometimes Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. No. You have to follow the rules. That's your offense also. Mahata udikramena. The offense comes. So try to understand.
The second reason why the clouds don't cross.
First reason.
First reason,
After this, there is what is it? What is it? Cover,
giving shelter.
shelter to Krishna. You read Benigit, this slokas. Very nice reading. And explanation of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. So now coming this 3 types of offenses. One is called Namaparat, Vigrahajini Seva Aparat, or third, Sarup Aparat. And Nam Vigrah Sarup, Tiner Kohunai Bhed. There are no difference. Nam, Vigraha and Sarup. Sarup is own form. But 2 aparads means Nam aparad and Vigraha aparad will be
Dissolved. Dissolved.
dissolved.
Yeah.
Disappear.
Dissolved, okay. Servicing or chanting holy name. But Sarup aparad, how will you go? It's not so easy. And you read Jayodhara Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain. Sarupe aparad. So Mahaprabhu is thinking, and how they will free from this offense. So Mahaprabhu is thinking, if I take sannyas, then they automatically sannyas buddhe amai koribe pranam. You understand? At least they give the pranam to me, then all their offenses will go. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. So, how many? 3. What 3?
Swarup.
So, Purva, Pasandi, Ninduk,
Karma.
for karma, putar karmi, karmanistha or you write or not, only to just speaking. What do you write?
Mayavadi, Karmanishta, Kutarkik, Ninduk, Pashandi, and Purva.
With the Indian
Mayavadi,
accent.
Karmanishta, Kutarkik, Ninduk, Pashandi, Purva. Purva.
Are Purva.
How is it? Purva?
Porua. Porua means those are just study. Porua. You read Chaitanya Charitamrita? Eh? Are Porua means those who are always
Not so Krishna.
study. They are not doing bhajan.
Padai, coming from the root word padai karne, to the root word of Porua is studying.
Study. Porua means just study. But not doing bhajan and sadhana. If you see Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adilila, 7th and chapter, and 45. Yeah. And Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Lila, 7th chapter. Our prayer number, understand, 28 and 29.
1, 7, 24.
And 1, 7,
28, 29.
28, 29. And then you will clear everything. Here the Mayavadi, Karmanishta, Kurtarkikgan, Ninduk, Pasandi, Jata, Purvadham. Pasandi, that is called, actually who is called Pasandi? Vedana Mania Buddha Hida Pasandi. And Buddhist, they are called Pasandi because Buddhists, they don't believe and Vedas.
Jains also.
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা সেই সব মহাদক্ষ ধাইয়া পলাইল সেই সব বন্যাতা সবারই ছুঁইতে নারিল তাহা দেখে মহাপ্রভু করেন চিন্তন জগৎ ডুবাইতে আমি করিনু যতন কেহকে এড়াইল প্রতিজ্ঞা হইল ভঙ্গ তা সবার ডুবাইতে পাতিব কিছু রঙ্গ এত বলি মনে পিছু করিয়া বিচার সন্ন্যাস আশ্রম প্রভু কইল অঙ্গীকার এর ক্লিয়ার হ্যাঁ এর দিবা তোমারও হেলটেল Huh? Good Premanandi. Now take breakfast. First learn these things. What is the how Lord why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called embodiment of magnet. Understand? Krishna he did not give this prem to everybody. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
To everybody. Jagai Madai.
and indiscriminately. 100 Jogai Madai.
Many Jagai Madai.
1,000.
They are Kali Yuga.
Kali Yuga.
Kali Yuga Jogai Madai. Good also. Without Jogai Madai, how to preach?
Good first step.
Good question or not? So need also. If you're not here, who will kata to whom?
Yeah, if I wasn't Jagai Madai before, how would I come?
You were Jagai or Madai?
Which one? Both.
There's one striking.
He's come to the one.
गुरुदेव जो स्वरूप होता है वो फिर गुरु स्वरूप ही होगा
अरे महाप्रभु जी स्वरूप भगवत स्वरूप जो भगवत स्वरूप के कहा जाता है स्वस्वरूप भगवत स्वरूप आज भगवान की स्वरूप जो होता है भगवान के स्वरूप भक्त की भावना के अनुसार भगवत स्वरूप प्रकाश होता है तो ऐश्वर्य मार्ग के भक्त होते हैं with the devotees of opulence. Lord manifests his Narayan Sarup in Vaikuntha. The Madhurya Sarup, then Krishna manifests in Golok Vrindavan. According to the Rasa also. Those who are the Madhurya Gandhavani explain very this nice like this. Different types of the devotee, Dasaras Bhaktas, painting. Then Lord Krishna is taking, even Lord Vishnu is taking his conch, and to touch his chin. Then he take it and return back his consciousness. And so looking, he is very nice, beautiful. Then when he is looking this, then thinking, oh, I am not qualified. The devotee is crying. Why not qualified to darshan to beautiful this form? Crying and crying and crying. And that time Lord also pacified too. Oh my bhakta. Many years, birth, you perform bhajan and sadhan, and you tolerate everything for me. And I said, many years you did not eat, as like Dhruva Maharaj. Prahlad. Dhruva Prahlad, understand? How did they perform hard austerities? We are not in college, we are not doing anything. We are using very nice prasadam. Nacho Gao Bhakti. Mahaprabhu is giving it. Because Kali we cannot do hard austerity as like Dhruva Prahlad. Prachinanang bhajanam otulam sunnatang be. When you heard in ancient times how our Acharya Prahlad, Dhruva, Ambarish, how they perform hard austerities. We cannot do this. You cannot do this. No, do this. We cannot do. I know what you said. Even our Goswami, 6 Goswamis, how they did bhajan in Sadhana Vrindavan. They just spent one night under one tree.
Few hours.
Understand? Then going next
Different tree.
different trees under it. You can do this. So,
You can always sleep outside.
even you cannot do sleep outside also. What is saying to the plants here? Here is not with example. Even in Vrindavan, when we are going Vrindavan, where we stay? Very nice. Accommodation. Need or not?
Private bathroom.
Private bathroom.
AC.
AC. Everything need. For our Goswamis, they did the bhajan sadhana. एक वृक्ष तले एक रात्रि जापन कभू चाना कभू माना. Sometimes they taking some and some chickpeas and eating chanting holy names. Or sometimes completely hard, full fast. We cannot do this.
No.
Do this. So for this regard, in this look, Prachinanang Bhajanam Otulam Srinatang me. When you listen this katha of our previous Acharya, Dhruva, Prahlad, Ambarish, even our Goswamis, how they do it. Then thinking, then our heart start to trembling. Well, how possible attain the highest praise? Not possible. But only one hope. The Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is merciful. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said? Are akanta puriya karo prasada sevan, nacho gao bhakta sange karo sankirtan. Take Mahaprasad until your next one. Before vomiting. Take prasad. Or Mahaprasad is kind. Rasgulla or anything. Take Mahaprasad. Good or not? What do you think? Good. The Mahaprabhu is saying, Akanta Puriya Karo Prasad Sevan. Prasad Sevan. And take Mahaprasad and chant holy names. And dancing. Take Mahaprasad and sing and dancing. Then automatically what? Digest. And attend to go to Vrindavan. Good or not? No need to Vairagya. No need to anything. Do bhajan sadhana. Chant holy names and take Mahaprasad. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. That's it. If you do bhajan sadhana, Gaura Govinda Maharaj say, very nice katha. But a best sadhu or best prasad? Bolo Vrindavan. You understand?
No.
He's saying,
Who gets best prasad?
Are best prasad. Why do you take it? Mahaprasad. We take delicious Mahaprasad. Why not? Understand?
Cookies after class.
The sadhu gets best prasad.
Yeah. Take Mahaprasad.
To become
Are
sadhu.
Krishna's remnants?
Very sad.
Mahaprabhu himself told. Understand? Mahaprabhu told, you give me, what is called? Labra Banjan. Amare dao, Labra Banjan, or Bhaktare dao, and here is called. Just a word. Vishesh Rag. Special? Deep attachment. Vairagya means not I am not eating, I am not sleeping. This is not Vairagya. That is called follow Vairagya. Understand? Vairagya means Vishesh Rag. Deep attachment. Vishesh Rag. Vairagya Yug Bhakti Rasan Prajatni. Apayan mam anabhipsvam nam. Kripam buddhirja. Paradukha dukhi sanatanastam. Prabhumasraya. Vairagya. Vairagya means not always meaning the renunciation. Okay, I will not eat. No, because in previous life you did not give the charity donation. How possible to eat? You understand? Are everything you are coming? Your
Previous activity.
previous sanskar. You understand or not? Sometimes I say good also.
If you have given charity in your previous life, then you will be able to eat in this life.
Are everything coming? Bhakti, two ways coming. All these coming two ways. Try to understand. Even your previous life you did charity donation, then coming. Because it's same thing also coming. Or if you practice Suddha Bhakti, also coming. Two ways coming. You understand?
Yes.
Not understand. Bhakti Staisada Bhavan Jadi Saad Daivana Krishna Murti Mukti Sang Muktanjali Shivati Asman Dharma Artha Kama Moksha Sama Pratiksha. Dharma Artha Kama Moksha. Automatically will come. Understand?
If you perform bhakti,
If you perform Suddha Bhakti.
pure devotional,
Which Bhakti?
then
Automatically will come.
liberation,
You want or not, automatically will come. Coming or not?
religiosity,
Huh?
Dharma, Artha, Kama.
Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha.
Kama.
So, Vishwanath Goswami, Jib Goswami, Rupa Goswami Bhakti Rasamati. Jatha Chetikavat. Chetikavat. Jatha Chetikavat. What is it? Chetikavat. Chetikavat means queen walks. Then automatically
Her entourage.
all her
Entourage.
Maid service.
maids chasing behind her. And some also fanning, some also doing chamar,
offering flowers.
offering flowers. So why would you envious to others? No need to envious to others. Many people they are envious. Oh, why do you do this? Are why not? Hey, Mahaprasad. If you have no prasad buddhi understand. So you are thinking material, so another thing. Prasad buddhi. Krishna's Mahaprasad. Fela. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is crying and crying. Oh, this is Krishna's Adharamritam. Understand? When do you understand? Not now. Mahaprabhu is crying. Oh, this is Mahaprasad. And this remnant of Krishna. Krishna Uchist.
Touched by the lips of Krishna.
Lovely. So saying the Mahaprasadi Govinde Nama Brahmani Vaishnave Sarvapunno Vatang Rajan Visasani Vajayate Sarira Vidyajar Jarindre Jive Pele Visaya Sagar Krishna Vara Dayamai Karivare Jaya Saprasadam Nujirahay Sayyonna Radha Krishna Gunagav Preme Dako Chaitanya Mahaprasad. What's that? Okay. Mahaprasad. Always should be gentleman. Sai Maharaj used this word. Always should be gentleman. Gentleman understand?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Nice cloth. Understand? Always wear nice cloth. Nice cloth need or not?
Yeah.
Good cloth.
Nicely presented.
Nice, if you want to preach. And as like Pundarik Vedani.
Silken cloth. Silken cloth.
Nice present. Otherwise you as like, what is it called? Big, what is it called?
Beggars.
Beggar. No one to listen to you.
The ones
They're
like you
pagal.
service.
He is a pagal. Pagal understand? Mad but. Because mundane people, they will be attract with your,
Presentation.
what is it called?
How you present yourself.
What is it?
Presentation.
Presentation. If you want to preach, and if you think, no, I am do bhajan sadhana as like Rup Sanatan in Vrindavan.
Copy.
Doro kopi no kanti. Understand?
You were really mad.
Do bhajan sadhana. Chant holy. Kopi no kanti grahasi slokas.
Bande Rupa Sanatan.
Bande Rupa kopi no kanta. That's it. Very nice this. So sometimes you say, okay, if you want. But how to this? Loka Vyavahar. Loka Vyavahar means worldly behavior. Understand? So sadhaka rupena and siddha rupena. Understand? Yeah. And our Guru do. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Guru. Very nice, beautiful cloth or not?
Yes.
Param Guru Maha Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Goswami Maharaj.
Sometimes no. Sometimes.
That is his Vairagya. His, how is it called? His Daina.
Sometimes very nice.
I know. That means I am not to inspire to you to enjoy the sense gratification.
Yes.
What I am saying this is to absorb in the bhajan and sadhana. Bhajan and sadhana is important. Sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena, chatra. Sadhaka rup and siddha. Oh, this is very nice.
Tyakta Turna Mashesha
Takta Sudastas.
Sing it. Bande Rupa Sanatan. Gopi Bhava Rasamita.
Very nice.
Verse number 4.
The book. The book.
Goswami Ashtakam. अच्छा चलो प्रसाद पाओ then Krishnot Kirtana Ganatana Paro Premamritam Nidhi Dhira Dhira Jana Priya Priya Karo Nirmasaro Bodhishubho Sri Chaitanya Prabhavaro Vande Rupa Sanatana What is the program now?
Arishtanasana has come.
Huh? Mahaprasad.